Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet the linen stitch, which is the stitch used to make my little lullaby blanket. For this tutorial I used a worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook. The initial chain can be any even number of chains. For this tutorial, chain 20. In the second chain from your hook, single crochet 1. Next you're going to chain 1. Skip the next chain and single crochet 1 into the chain after that. Then you're going to chain 1. Skip the next chain and single crochet 1 into the chain after that. Follow with a chain 1. You'll keep repeating these stitches until you get to the end of your chain. In the last stitch, single crochet 1. Next, you're going to chain 2 and then turn your work. For this row, you're going to work into the chain spaces of the previous row. In the first chain space, single crochet 1, then chain 1. You'll repeat these stitches in the next chain space. Single crochet 1, followed by a chain 1. You will keep working the chain spaces until you reach the end of your row. Single crochet 1 into the turning chain space. This is a really important step to keep your stitch count, so don't forget this one. Chain 2 and turn your work. You will repeat the instructions for the last row. If you have trouble finding the chain spaces, look for the little V's and aim between them with your hook. Remember to single crochet 1 into the turning chain space. Keep repeating these instructions for as many rows as you'd like. For this tutorial, I completed 20 rows. Always remember to single crochet 1 into the turning chain space. Eventually you should have something that looks like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.